today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Shopify affiliate program. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to move through the application smoothly without second-guessing any step. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Shopify affiliate program page. The easiest way is to type Shopify affiliate program into your search engine and select the official result from Shopify's website. Take a moment to confirm you're on the genuine Shopify domain before proceeding. This helps you avoid spoofed pages and ensures your information stays secure. Once you're on the program page, look for the Apply Now button. It's typically easy to spot, often near the top or center of the page. Click Apply Now to begin. This takes you into the application flow, where you'll be asked to sign up with your account. If you already have a Shopify login, use those credentials here. If you're new to Shopify, the site will guide you through creating an account as part of this process, so you can keep everything in one place. After you're signed in, follow the prompts on your screen. The application usually asks for basic personal information and details about your business or content channels. Expect questions about your website or social platforms, who your audience is, and how you plan to promote Shopify. Be clear and specific, share the type of content you create, how often you publish, and any relevant metrics you're comfortable providing. The goal is to show how you'll add value as an affiliate. You'll also review the program's terms and policies. Read them carefully so you understand how commissions work, what promotion methods are allowed, and any regional requirements. If the form asks for links to your site or profiles, paste the exact URLs to make it easy for the review team to verify. Keep your information accurate and consistent across fields and avoid placeholder text so your application looks professional. Before submitting, take a quick moment to check for typos or missing details. Then submit the application. You should see a confirmation on the screen, and you may receive an email acknowledging your submission. Approval times can vary, so keep an eye on your inbox for updates or any follow-up questions from the Shopify team. That's it. Open the official page, click Apply Now, sign up with your account, and follow the prompts to complete your application. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Shopify affiliate journey.